Okay, another important concept is population and sample. You know what is meant by population? Population is the total number of participant. Population is total, and sample is subset of population. We take a sample, we take a few parts from the all participants, that will be called as a sample. So it is a subset of the population. For example, there are 100 students in a class, so all the 100 students will be called is population, and if we take 30 students from the above 100 students, that will be our sample. But there is a important thing which is representative sample. By this we mean that the characteristic of the sample should be like that of the population. For example, this is a population and the color or characteristics, just to make you understand. This is green characteristic, purple characteristic and blue characteristic. In this population there are three characteristics, and if we take a sample from this population, we will consider all these characteristics. For example, in the sample here is green, purple and blue. So the sample is representative of the above population. What will be the importance of representative sample? The main importance, the main significance of representative sample is that the results of representative samples will be, we will be able to generalize the results of a representative sample onto the whole population.